Yeah, man, I thank God, man, I finally got my iPhone Pro Max 15. Man, I'm happy, I'm excited. Look, let's see what color do I have. I got white, so you know, white, it should be nice. Let me see, cause white don't need anything. Ah, look at that baby, boy. That's that baby. That thing hard. You know? Thank God, man. I had to reward myself. Thanks to my homeboy. He helped me out. He put me on his plan. He's a good friend. He's a good brother. Hey, man, I appreciate you. You know? And, yeah, man, thank you, man. I'm gonna enjoy it. I got a nice case to go with it. My homeboy hooked me up with it. So, yeah. God is good. You just gotta reward yourself sometimes. When you work hard, you know, you gotta play hard. And then, you know, you gotta treat yourself. Don't cheat yourself. You know? But yeah.